My name is Nathaniel Magane. I hold the position of project engineer for Zeal Engineering Consultants. I'm an electrical engineer by profession. My job description, I'm responsible for all engineering activities and project management. We as Zeal Engineering Consultants have been involved in a couple of projects that are aimed eventually at uplifting communities. Kliptown, the electrification of Kliptown is a case in point, where the sole purpose of this project was to electrify 4,000 dwellings. So that was to actually bring electricity into people's homes. Another project that I can mention is the electrification of Alexandra Township. One other project that I can mention that is outside of Gauteng, which is a considerable project to have been involved in, is the construction of the Thabani Mall, which is in Venda. And then how these projects have assisted communities, like let's take Kliptown as a business case. Kliptown is a very old township. The Freedom Charter was signed here in 1955, and then unfortunately since then there hasn't been proper electrical and water provision services. And then with us being involved in this project, we're able to provide that. As you can see behind me, there's electrical infrastructure, overhead electrical infrastructure, MV and LV, and also service connections to houses. How this impacted the community is there was employment opportunities during the construction of the project, and I imagine even beyond, because the provision of electricity, if there are people who have an entrepreneurial mind, I am imagining some would have taken an opportunity to provide an example, to do a cake or a baking, to initiate a baking company. Another project which I didn't mention before is a fire station project which we're involved in. It's in Mpumalanga, and then now the sole purpose of a fire station is to protect lives and livelihoods, and then during an emergency fire situation. Through that whole process, I am responsible for all the feasibility studies, and then at the inception of the projects, I'm responsible for all design conceptualization, and also I'm responsible to coordinate all project stakeholders for the successful implementation of a project. That would entail any technical discussions, presentations, designing, calculations, and also costs attached to the project. Zeal Engineering Consultants is a professional services provider, engineering services provider company. We've been in existence since 2005. So we have 16 years experience and counting. But then individually, the staff members, we hold a cumulative experience of approximately 100 years. What we do for our clients is that we provide engineering services in the following disciplines, which I'll mention just now. That is electrical, mechanical, civil, structural. We also do quantity surveying services, and then we are also involved with SHEC, which is safety, health, environment, and then risk and quality services.